I got a headlight air intake from EFB Motorsports. It's a 3D printed, basically, headlight duct to let air go right to the turbo. It's not UV safe, so I'm throwing a couple coats of paint on it to see if I can make it match my Del Sol. So let's keep painting. I'm not running desert camo. I just had this in my cabinet. It says it bonds the plastic. I'm gonna start that as the base coat. I'm mainly worried about up here that's gonna be exposed to the sun. EFB's website says it's not UV safe. It'll crack over time. So that's what we're gonna go with. Spray's upside down too. Once that dries, typical of me, I think I'm gonna throw this over top, just like my valve cover, and then sprinkle it with a little bit of that. So we'll see. Couple light coats of this, and then we'll splatter some pink. A little busier than the valve cover, but who cares? The fucking shitty Del Sol. I think it's gonna look cool, and that's what we're running with. And it's gonna protect it from the sun. Headlights dry with the paint. 10 mil, 10 mil. There's not a 10 mil there, but looks like 3. I'm gonna disconnect the bumper there. That'll help. Let me tape this up and out of the way. Oh, we're still rolling. Whoops. Try to find some longer 10 mil bolts, a little bit longer than that. Because I don't think that one's going in at all. But let's see. Looks pretty cool. This is not EFB's fault at all. But if I put that bolt in, this one doesn't line up, and the bolt that would go down here, all that metal's gone. When I did the intercooler, I realized this had been in an accident and the bumper was pushed in here. So I think the third headlight bolt over here is gone, cut off, bent off, whatever. Everything's kind of pushed in. So if I use this bolt, this one doesn't line up. So what I'm gonna do is mark it, drill a through hole, and just run a bolt and some rubber washers and stuff, and do it that way. I'm gonna need a way longer bolt. Not going crazy on tightening it. It's 3D printed. Just need to snug it up. I don't even know if that's long enough. Through bolt work. That bolt's snug. This is snug. There's not one here, but once I get this bolted up, I think that's going to be plenty strong. It does come with a part. If you were hooking this up straight to your intake, like if you did the passenger side, you could run it straight to your intake, which is kind of cool. You know, I may run something that hooks. I don't know. Buttoned up, a little bit of a gap, but like I said, this part was in an accident before, so I don't hate it. And like I said, I think I'm gonna buy just a little hook, maybe not, a little rubber 90 to throw the air more that way, but I don't even think I need to do that, to be honest. EFB, appreciate it. Quick shipping, well-made part. Like I said, I painted it to help with the UV protection, make it match the rest of this stupid car. So I think it looks cool. Unnecessary for the cheap Chinese turbo kit, but it's unnecessary for me to have 4 Hondas within rock throwing distance, so who gives a shit. Let's get a look at it down and clean. I dig it. I think it lets you know exactly what it is. I'm glad I put the fog light back in. I initially tried to remove the fog light. I was gonna make that the intake. Couldn't find a real cool way to do it, and then when I saw the EFB setup, I said, nope, that's what I'm gonna go with. I'm going as low budget as possible, so I didn't do, he offers a daytime running light LED and a headlight, but I went with the base. This ain't that kind of car. If I was to do one on my Prelude, I would definitely do the daytime running lights and the headlight. But I like it. This car has been an absolute blast. Lots still wrong with it, lots to be fixed, but I'm having fun with it. That's all that matters. Have a good one. Let me know what you think.